I'm excited to take a few minutes today to share with you two great services that are protecting and empowering millions of people all across North America: Legal Shield and ID Shield. When you think of Legal Shield, think of disruptive innovation. What does that mean? When you think of other disruptive innovators, companies like Amazon and Spotify probably come to mind. These companies have fundamentally changed the way that people access these goods and services. But what about the justice system? Well, Legal Shield has become the disruptive innovator in the justice system. Through our mobile app, we have made accessing legal services when you need them simpler, easier, and more affordable. Our vision is to provide equal access to the liberty, equality, opportunity, and justice that every human deserves. For over 48 years, Legal Shield has been protecting and empowering millions of people with a dedicated network of quality law firms in all 50 states and all Canadian provinces and territories. When you think of legal services, ask yourself these questions. Have you ever received a traffic ticket? Have you ever been overcharged for repair? Have you ever had a landlord or tenant issue? What about identity theft? Have you ever had a situation where you just thought you were treated unfairly? All of these are legal situations. And with Legal Shield, you can easily download our mobile app and tap Talk to My Law Firm and easily access the legal services that you need at any time. You have consultation with our law firms to talk to you about an insurance claim, a real estate matter, something that happened at work, something that happened with your kids at school. You have access to the consultation that you need when you need it, but instead of paying $200 to $300 an hour, you simply take out your phone, contact your law firm, and talk to a professional that can help you with your legal situation. What about a letter or phone call on your behalf? Many times having your provider law firm write a letter or make a phone call on your behalf makes all the difference in the world. I know I've been a Legal Shield member for over 23 years. And I've used Legal Shield so many times to access the help that I need to have letters and phone calls made on our family's behalf. One of the stories that comes to my mind is a time when we were flying the family to Hawaii on vacation from Florida. We got stuck at the Las Vegas airport for an entire day because of a mechanical issue on the plane. So we missed a night at the resort, we missed an excursion, and we had paid over $4,000 for these 4 tickets. When I got home, I called the airline, and they didn't want to help me with that situation. But one letter from my provider law firm prompted that airline to send me an apology letter with 4 free tickets to use anywhere in North America. That one letter from my law firm paid for my membership for over 8 years. And I could tell you numerous situations just like that our family's been able to access the legal services that we need to make sure that when someone's not treating us fairly, we have that legal muscle. We also review your contracts and documents. Whether you're refinancing your house, renting an apartment, buying a car, having your attorney review your contracts and documents just makes sense. And through Legal Shield, it's an easy decision because it's no longer a financial decision on whether you're going to pay an attorney hundreds or thousands of dollars to review those contracts and documents when you can easily upload those right to your smartphone and your provider attorney will review those contracts and documents with you as part of the membership. We can also help you with IRS audits, civil trial defense, and even family and domestic services such as uncontested divorce, uncontested separation, adoption, name change, and other legal services. What about traffic violations? Moving traffic tickets. I know myself, having 2 teenage drivers, I want to make sure that our entire family has access to our law firms nationwide should we receive a moving traffic violation. And with Legal Shield, I can easily tap the app, the ticket is uploaded right to our provider law firm, and we have representation on that traffic violation anywhere in the United States. Having access to this one service is so valuable because I don't want to have points show up on my record and my insurance rates continue to rise. And so through Legal Shield, I have the legal muscle again to contact my law firm and get help, whether it's me, my spouse, or one of my dependents, should we receive a moving traffic violation. We're also going to help with emergency situations. Sometimes bad things happen to good people, and you may have a situation that happens outside of normal business hours. Through Legal Shield, you have access to your attorney 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for those emergency situations. And there's a special button right on your app that allows you to contact your law firm, whether it's 11 o'clock at night or 2 o'clock in the morning should you find yourself in one of those emergency situations. All of this is covered through your Legal Shield membership. We're also going to help you with estate planning, will preparation, your will, your living will, your healthcare power of attorney, durable power of attorney. All of these are areas that your Legal Shield membership can help. Let's face it, today, more than ever, people are searching the internet and searching for ways to get these documents prepared. And there is no way that's simpler, easier, or more affordable for your family to have the estate planning that it needs and have these medical directives in place than through a Legal Shield membership. Because we cover your entire family, your family can access these documents and these services, and all of this is covered at no additional cost under your membership. So the first thing that I use my membership for, and I highly recommend anyone, is to get these documents in place and use your membership right away. Anything else that I didn't talk about is still covered through the membership under our 25% member-only discount. So if you do have a contested divorce, child custody situation, or maybe you have a pre-existing lawsuit or something that you need additional help with, Legal Shield can help on our preferred member discount. So whether it's covered 100%, as all those other areas I just talked about, or under our 25% discount, Legal Shield can provide the services that you need as part of your benefits. Now let's talk about another service we provide that is so valuable today, and that's identity theft protection. And when you think of ID Shield, I want you to think of more than just identity theft protection. We're talking about privacy management, reputation management, financial account monitoring, cyberbullying consultation, unlimited consultation on any identity theft matters, monitoring and alerts, our $1 million protection, and full service restoration should you become a victim of identity theft. With ID Shield, we monitor everything that matters. Your credit score, all 3 credit repositories, the social security number, passport, driver's license, email, phone, date of birth, medical ID, your username and passwords, the dark web, social media. We even monitor things like your financial accounts, 401k, checking and savings and loans, and all of these other areas where identity thieves steal your information and try to get, auto loans, or go to pawn shops, or try to open up a cell phone account in your name. All of this is monitored through ID Shield. But most importantly, we have complete restoration. Should you become a victim of identity theft, ID Shield will step in with our $1 million protection with a licensed private investigator who will do whatever it takes for as long as it takes to restore your identity to its pre-theft status. And this is an unlimited service guarantee. But we don't stop there, because today, more than ever, people need to take control of their privacy. And with ID Shield's privacy management tools, you have the ability to take back control of your most valued asset, your privacy. So we're talking about consultation for privacy matters, understanding bullying and how we can help with anti-bullying measures through our consultation. As a parent, is there anything more concerning than what your children are looking at on the internet and who is talking to them on the internet, or bullying situations that happen right there online? With ID Shield, we're by your side every step of the way. Do you want to know what your smart TV is really monitoring? Do you want to know how to change your privacy settings on Facebook and other smart devices that you have? Do you want guidance on how to take back your privacy? There's where ID Shield steps in and is by your side to make sure that your privacy and your family's privacy is protected. On top of that, your reputation. Is there anything more valuable than your reputation? And with ID Shield's management tool, you now have access to see what is on these social media sites: Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and all of these social media sites that have your information. And if there's pictures or different posts that are affecting your reputation score, you're going to be notified. So you can make the decision. Do you want those out there for everyone to see? And we're also going to give you a score so you can see exactly how these photos, how these posts are affecting your online and your reputation. And so the peace of mind of having Legal Shield and ID Shield together for less than $2 a day for both plans is absolutely amazing. But on top of that, let me close by just talking about member perks, because this is another exciting part of our membership. Through member perks, we have aligned with hundreds of businesses all across North America that give you discounts just for being a Legal Shield or ID Shield member. I know personally, last year my family saved over $600 with our member perks, and that paid for both our Legal Shield and our ID Shield plan for the entire year. So when you see the companies that we've aligned with, that you're already spending money with, you'll see additional benefits to being a Legal Shield and ID Shield member. So we encourage you to get back with the person that invited you to look at this video, get your questions answered, and join the millions of people all across North America that are accessing their legal rights and protecting their privacy, their reputation, and their identity with Legal Shield and ID Shield.